Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you a beautiful and easy DIY wall hanging craft that you can make using just a few simple materials. This triangle-shaped design is perfect for adding a touch of creativity and charm to any room. To start, I used rolled paper straws to form the triangular base. These are sturdy yet lightweight, making them ideal for hanging. Then, I decorated the triangle with these vibrant red paper flowers. Aren't they stunning? They add a fresh and lively touch to the design. Next, I added dangling elements at the bottom. These teardrop-shaped decorations were created by folding paper into elegant loops. They sway gently, giving the craft a dynamic and playful look. What's amazing about this project is how versatile it is. You can customize the colors to match your home decor or experiment with different shapes and patterns. Plus, it's super affordable. Most of these materials can be found at home or in any craft store. This craft is perfect for a festive occasion, a kid's art project, or simply as a relaxing activity. It's a wonderful way to recycle and repurpose materials creatively. I hope this inspires you to make your own version. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe or follow to my channel for more creative ideas. Let me know in the comments what colors or themes you would try for your wall hanging. See you in the next video.